Me conhece? Eu sou o Felipaldo. Eu vim aqui no comecinho do vídeo para pedir para você não esquecer de dar o like, se inscrever e compartilhar. Quem não sabe, eu que faço isso aqui tudo sozinho. Eu que edito, eu que faço as thumbs, eu que faço tudo desse canal. Então, se você puder perder um pouquinho do seu tempo para deixar o like, deixar um comentário e compartilhar o vídeo, a firma agradece demais, ok? Eu também gostaria de pedir para você não deixar de me seguir nas minhas redes sociais que vão estar aparecendo em algum cantinho dessa tela, tudo bem? Então, obrigado a todos e tenham um bom vídeo. Salve pessoal, como é que vocês estão? Tudo bem? Estamos aqui hoje para mais um episódio da nossa série de Heavy Rain. No último episódio, né, tivemos a apresentação do nosso mano Scott, nosso mano gordão pancadas. E hoje vamos continuar a nossa história. Então não esquece o like e tamo junto. Não sei se tá com a...
The zone is sectioned off, sir. Please step back.
Agent Norman Jaden, FBI?
You got a badge or something, Mr. Jaden?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Check. You can pass.
I'm looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around?
I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
Thanks. Video memo recording, Agent 47023, Norman Jaden, Tuesday, October 4th, 2011. Time is 8:14 a.m. Unrelated to the investigation. I'm looking for Lieutenant Carter Blake. Thanks. Harry comment, sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland. Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning, they told me you'd be here.
Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place. Mike, will you tell that asshole with the bulldozer to stop for 5 minutes? I can't hear myself think here.
Right away, Lieutenant.
Well, are you coming, Jaden?
So, what happened?
Some guy taking his dog for a piss found a body about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now. Based on what we've seen, looks like the work of the origami killer.
Has the body been identified?
No, not yet. We should know more later today. Any news on the coroner?
He's on his way, Lieutenant.
We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Any witnesses?
None yet. Given the neighborhood, I'd be surprised if anybody saw anything.
Has the time of death been established?
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours ago. We should know more once the coroner has had a look. Tony, I don't want to see a single shit-stirring journalist within a mile of here. You got it?
Yes, Lieutenant.
Do you have any leads?
My men are going over the scene with a fine-tooth comb. If the killer left anything behind, we'll find it. Listen, I'm a little busy here. Why don't we discuss all this a little later, back at the office?
Oh, no problem. I understand. Do you mind if I have a look around?
Be my guest. Hey, Jaden, you come and see me if you find anything, okay? We're on the same team now.
Harry, comment. Sample of no interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland. Some orchid pollen. The concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain, but it gets higher in the direction of the body. Harry, comment. The victim is lying on his back. No visible signs of violence. Superficial wound on the right thigh. Blood analysis suggests it could be post-mortem. Probably a scratch that occurred when the body was being moved. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion. His face is covered with mud, like the other victims. A small origami figure in the right hand. Fingers were probably closed after the time of death. An orchid was placed on the victim's chest. The victim is Jeremy Bowles, declared missing 5 days ago. See reference file. I'm gonna leave. I see you in the office, right?
Okay. See you later.
Morcego.
A bat.
Uma raposa.
A fox.
Olha isso aqui. Um guejo.
A crab.
São 2 mortes.
Death. Death.
No começo tivemos a apresentação do nosso querido Mano Norman.
I have the results of your MRI scans.
Agora estamos
Everything
fazendo
seems to be normal. There is no physical
Gente,
damage from the accident.
teste com o
However,
Ethan.
I am worried about your psychological condition. I know it's not easy, but you've got to start over, Ethan. You're not responsible for what happened.
It's my fault Jason is dead. He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
Não.
It was an accident.
Quem
Accidents
foi
happen
atropelado foi
every
ele,
day.
não foi o filho. Como é que o filho
You
morreu?
can't blame yourself forever for your son's death. How is Sean?
É
He's a very
distante.
solitary kid, you know, very focused within himself. He's really close to his mother. With me, he's more distant.
And what about you, Ethan? What do you feel?
I no longer want to live. I have no reason to continue.
Not even for your son, Sean.
I couldn't save Jason. Sean doesn't need a father like me.
Is there something else you wanted to tell me, Ethan?
I sometimes have these blackouts. Times when I don't know what I'm doing. I recover consciousness sometime later, but I'm someplace else. And I have no idea how I got there. Do you think this could be related to the accident?
You suffered a massive concussion and were in a coma for 6 months. We really don't know what effect a shock like that can have on the brain. That's the end of this session. We'll continue this conversation next week. You were lucky, Ethan. It's very rare to survive such a traumatic accident.
I don't exactly feel lucky, Doctor.
Ele sofreu um acidente e ficou em coma por 6 meses. E o carro tava naquela velocidade, sim, confia.
Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
I don't feel like it.
Do you want to eat something? How did things go at school today?
I was punished because I didn't do my homework.
I'm sorry about that, Sean. Next time, we'll really pull it together, okay? Is something the matter, Sean?
No, I'm all right.
A boomerang? You know how to use it?
No, not really. I can never make it come back.
Can I give it a try?
You did it, Dad.
Do you want to give it a
Pai é
try?
bom de
I
o pai é
won't be able to
bumerangue.
do it.
Oh, come on, let's try together. Now, the main thing is to get the right position at the beginning. Now, you gotta throw it straight and a little to the right. Now, throw it!
I did
Aê!
it! I did it, Dad!
Good job, Sean. See? That wasn't so hard.
Essa deu um sorriso pela primeira vez. E aí já voltou pro banco.
I haven't been on a seesaw in a long time. What do you think?
Yeah!
A gangorra.
Come on, Dad, make me fly!
What about that merry-go-round? I bet I can push you so fast you won't be able to stay on it.
Great! Go on, Dad, as fast as you can. Faster! Whoa! I think my head is spinning.
Good training for astronauts, though. Looks like rain's coming. I think we better go.
Okay. You know, sometimes I remember before. I mean, when Jason was still here. Sometimes I wish everything could just be the way it was before.
Me too, Sean. Me too.
Hey, Dad, can I have a ride on the carousel? Can I?
Sure. Go pick a horse and get on. I'll get a ticket. One, please. That's $1.
Ih, caralho. Porra, do nada um caminhão, velho. Definitivamente não tá no parquinho. A mochila dele. Caralho. Bom, pessoal, e com isso, depois da apresentação de mais um dos personagens que vamos controlar, o Norman, e com esse final chocante, finalizamos o episódio de hoje da nossa série de Heavy Rain. Tamo junto, não esquece o like, não esquece de compartilhar. Tamo junto. Até o próximo.
I just keep on running, can't stop what you don't see coming, yeah, and you know I'm coming. How can I trust you if you don't trust me? I do what I do, 'cause it is just me, and nothing is new, no I'm not lucky, I work my ass off, so I'll be some. You either pick yourself up or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone?